What's up, guys? We are here at the Fancy Food Show at the Jacob Javits Center right here in New York City, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday, 5 p.m. each day. It's here until, except Monday till 4 p.m. And guys, it is enormous. It is the upstairs, the downstairs. It's every floor of the Jacob Javits Center here at the Fancy Food Show. And guys, let me tell you, you cannot go wrong with the amount of incredible, delicious treats and free giveaways that they have here. Just enough to like blow your mind. Like everything in here, this is like they're giving you this stuff. It's amazing. Okay, guys, so I highly recommend that you come down if you can and check it out right here at the Jacob Javits Center in New York City. Watch my other reviews, subscribe and post your comments below. Make sure to follow for updates, and we're going to be reviewing a whole bunch of delicious goodies. And thanks so much for watching. This has been comic book artist, writer, and director Greg Weick from BeyondComics.tv. And as they say, to be continued. Peace.